All right, once more, I want to say a very big welcome to another training. We want to say thank you for coming around. This is the 12th day of our training, and we want to appreciate God for how He has kept us to this moment. We have successfully passed through the stage of we have introduced chemoinformatics, and the last session of our class we did a phytochemical database. We are able to expose us to some database available online which researchers can use to mine bioactive compounds of plants and then use them in their further studies. And we also recall that we said that there are two categories of database. We mentioned the ones that operate based on algorithm and the ones that has deposited structure. So the one which we have structures of the compound, or the details of the compounds are already deposited in those database. So today we shall look at another form of our database under chemical database. We have seen phytochemical database. So today we shall be looking at chemical database. Now, one of the chemical database we're going to look at is PubChem. I've earlier mentioned PubChem, and we are going to see what we can do with the PubChem. PubChem is one of the most conventional databases, is well known, is owned by America. So quickly let me open the PubChem. So once you type PubChem, you search. It's a National Institute of Health. So if I click on PubChem, the first one, you just wait a while it opens. Now PubChem is a deposited database. It has informations of chemical compounds deposited in the database. It has a lot of things to do. So first of all, we use it to search for structures. One of the most common use of PubChem is to download structures, structure of ligands. Most times after identifying your ligands, all those bioactive compounds in some of those databases, you have to copy them to PubChem and begin to download. Remember I told you that there are three sources of phytochemical database. One is the one you perform the characterization by yourself. So even if you did characterization and you want to do docking with the characterized compounds, you have to copy the names of those compounds one after the other to PubChem. When you paste them in PubChem, then you download their structural files. So PubChem is commonly used to download structural files. And also, if you don't want, if it happens that you did not actually do the chemical characterization, you want to mine the literatures that has been done by other people. You want to mine the data that have been done by other people who have published work on chemical characterization. So it's the same thing that you are going to do. You are going to copy those their compounds, come to PubChem and paste, then download. But meanwhile, while you are downloading, you are going to always take note of the plant parts. So let's say I had a result. Let me say GCMS characterization. GCMS characterization of Comolena odorata. So I want to mine literatures. I want to mine literatures. I'm coming. What is this? Okay, let me use another platform to do that. Okay, so this is GCMS characterization. So if I open this journal, I'm going to see the chemical constituents of that plant. So I will use PubChem to download. What I'll just do is to copy the name of that plant to this my PubChem. Once I copy it, then I go to download and it will download. So I'll quickly show you how to use PubChem to download chemical structure, because that is one of the most commonly used applications.
Hello, can you hear me? I can no longer hear you. Are you there?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Okay. I'm coming.
Hello.
Yes, can you hear me?